Hi everyone, it's Emily again, and I wanted to share some more self-care and meditation, but see if we can make it a little bit more accessible with the timing. And so I'm going to do a series of these where we're just going to do one self-care exercise, one breathing exercise, the sound meditation, and then coming out of the sound meditation. So we'll see how it goes. We'll see if I get better at the timing. The thing I love about this class is, again, you don't need super special clothes or super special equipment and just wearing regular clothes. And the thing I'll always say is for the sound relaxation, you want to be comfortable. So if you're just at a desk, you can use your desk chair. If you can lay down on the floor and that's comfortable for you, please feel free to do that. If you choose to do this in your bedroom or on a couch or something, maybe stack up some pillows for the relaxation so you can just melt into the floor. Or if you have a more traditional yoga setup, you could do legs up the wall or put a bolster under your knees, anything like that for relaxation. But for the breathing and the self-care exercises, you can sit anywhere you would like. And with that, we'll get started. I'm just gonna rub your palms together. And I always start like so fast in this, but sometimes it's nice to go a little bit slower and just feel the fingertips, the temperature of your palms. Mine are a little cold today. It's a much colder day than usual. And allow the fingertips to get toward the bottom of the palms, toward the wrists. And then just really gently close your eyes. Bring your hands over your eyes, keeping your breathing passage open. Softly open your eyes and just imagine that you could stare way beyond your hands that are holding the space, like you're looking at the horizon. Allow your eyes to look past that place. And keep looking farther. But they're soft, they're being held. Take a nice deep breath in, and as you exhale, just soften a little bit more into your seat. Then close your eyes one more time. Just bringing a little bit more energy into your palms, into your fingertips. And keep your breathing normal, just be aware of it. And then place your palms over your eyes, keeping your breathing passage open again. And just soften your eyes. Open. Look out past your hands. One more breath in and out. And then just take your hands away. And for our self-care exercise, we're going to be using our fingertips, or you can use your knuckles or palms of your hands if you've got longer nails or if it's hard for the fingers. And you're going to want to take your hair down if you can, because we're going to be moving in throughout the scalp. If that's not an option, again, you can just do this the best that you can with your hands, palms or knuckles. But if you can take your hair down, I recommend it. You're just going to begin touching your fingertips to your scalp, and you're going to move them in circles in any pattern that feels good. Kind of like washing your hair if you really had time to wash it leisurely. And you're just going to move your fingers all around your scalp, all around your head. Just taking note if there's any particular parts that need a little extra attention or breath. We're just starting to get the circulation going. Might want to get underneath there. You want to get the sides, all around the ears, the back, up through the top. And another option, if you feel like you've got longer nails or your hands are just a little bit tired or sore, you can also gently grab little bits of the hair. And because you're doing it, you can be very careful and aware, but you can just sort of move in circles a little bit of hair and pieces around. Ooh, somebody's playing music outside. And as you breathe, you're just gonna take the hair around. You can even take it back and forth. Go underneath and around. And just take a few breaths each time as you inhale and exhale. And then keep going. And I'm gonna close the window. And as you massage your scalp, you may spontaneously sigh or exhale. Maybe even feel a yawn come on. And just start to move the scalp around the skull. And just remembering that your out breath is the way that your body can clear out a lot of energy. Physically and emotionally, mentally, just things that might be being held onto that you don't need right at the moment to hold on to. And there's a layer of fluid between your scalp and your skull. And we often refer to it as cerebrospinal fluid. And the fluid circulates to your brain and returns to your body at the base of your skull. Draining down the back of your neck. So we're just trying to get that fluid flowing a little bit more, a little bit better. Nice big breath. Inhale and exhale. And rest. It was the FedEx truck out there. The FedEx driver was really rocking out. Now, if you've kind of like noticed that whatever seat you're in is not as comfortable as you first thought, go ahead and adjust, because we're going to take some time to do a breathing exercise before we get ready for relaxation. So all we're going to do today is practice exhaling. It's actually one of the harder parts of breath to really focus on, is that conscious exhale and allowing the diaphragm muscles to really exhale. Hey, Mom. So it's stronger than a sigh. Oh, I have sun here. So the exhale is stronger than a sigh. It's done through the mouth, and you really want to engage the diaphragm. So that dome, muscle right underneath the rib cage. Diaphragmatic breathing is recommended in yoga and martial arts, in a lot of healing breath work. And so as your diaphragm engages on the inhale, it presses on your belly, organs, the stomach, the spleen, the liver, the pancreas, gallbladder, kidneys. It's just a nice stimulation for all of the inner parts. So as you inhale, you can kind of feel that. And then as you exhale, just let it go. Specifically, as you inhale through this exercise, I want you to inhale and then just hold the breath for a moment. Think about something that happened today or at some point that didn't go well. And then you're just going to blow it out. You're going to exhale like you're blowing out birthday candles on a cake. So go at any pace. I'll talk you through it, but go at your own pace. But as you inhale, think about something that happened to you recently. It didn't go well. Maybe it was your fault. You should have seen it coming. It wasn't pleasant. And then exhale forcefully. And then just let that go. Normal breathing in between. Let's try it again. Inhale through the nose. Maybe this time think about a body part that maybe you don't like or it's not working very well and it works for everyone else but not you. It's probably genetic, but who knows, and it just takes so much energy, and blow it out and let that false belief go. Okay, now last time. Inhale. Hold the breath and just think about maybe some problems, some bigger problems, like around the world problems, things that you heard on the news, things that you're thinking about, and you're thinking, I'm not doing anything about it. I don't know what to do about it. And then just like you're forcefully blowing out those candles, let go of that false belief. And just show the energy how to get out of the body. Not that you're never going to do anything about these things, but holding on to them without being able to let go of them, to get them out for a bit and give yourself space and rest. All right, that's what we're trying to work through. Now just take your breath back to normal and just notice the quality of your next breath as you inhale. Does it feel any better, any cleaner, any lighter? Is there more room for you? Let's try it again. Is there more room for you? And then one more time. Beautiful. So now we're going to get ready for our sound bath. We'll be here for a little while. So just take a few minutes to get comfortable. You may want to cover yourself with a blanket or a sweater. You can close your eyes, maybe cover your eyes with something. Or if it feels more comfortable for you to just soften your eyes and keep them open, you may do that as well. If you have access to blankets or bolsters or anything like that and you're laying down, you may want to put one under your knees or even put your legs up the wall. Anything that would make you feel cozy and comfortable. If you are sitting in a chair, just simply close or soften your eyes. Sit quietly. Let your hands rest in your lap. You might want to uncross your arms and legs and just let your feet rest on the floor. Straight spine, awareness in your breath. Content in your space. Find your breath, letting it come and go. feel the way it comes into the body and goes forth all on its own. You don't have to do a thing. Just watching, letting things go. Letting your body naturally heal and rebalance. Feeling the weight of the bones resting on the earth. Which, with each breath, allowing yourself to feel a little more comfortable. Allowing yourself to feel just a little more at ease. Just as it is. You don't have to do a thing. Just watching, letting things go. Letting your body naturally heal and rebalance. Feeling the weight of the bones resting on the earth. With each breath, allowing yourself to feel a little more comfortable. Allowing yourself to feel just a little more at ease. Everything can be just as it is. Healing light moving in to the feet. Healing light moving into the legs. Light moving into the hips. Light moving into the belly. Light moving into the spine. Healing light moving into the heart. Feeling light moving into the lungs. Light moving into the shoulders. Arms, wrists, and hands. Healing light moving into the neck, the head, face, and hair. Feel the body relaxing. The sound of the breath. Your heartbeat. Relax. There's nothing to do now. All those things can wait. Giving yourself this time to just be. Slowly begin to deepen your breath. Bringing yourself back into your body. Take a big inhale and exhale. Let it go. Feel the breath as it fills the body, filling it with life and new energy. Slowly move your fingers and toes, slowly awakening, easy, kind of lazy. Maybe you're not coming back just yet. You're just checking the connections. Fingers and toes. Circle the wrists and ankles. Maybe even move your head very slowly side to side. And stretch your arms above you. Stretch the body long. Maybe a yawn or a sigh comes on again. Maybe the right side a little longer. And then the left side a little longer. Take a nice inhale and let it go. Rub the palms together. Place your hands over your eyes. And just open your eyes again, keeping your breathing passage open, but into the ease of the palms. Just hold the space around your eyes. Look through the hands. Inhale, exhale. One more time. Rub the palms together. Maybe breathe into your palms. And close your eyes one more time. Begin to wash your face, your forehead, your neck. Not with water, your ears, but with light. Maybe coming down to the heart, up to the head, even the arms, right? The belly, the hips, anything, the thighs, anything that you feel just could use a little bit of connection and light, very gentle. And then slowly, if you're lying down, you're just going to roll onto your side, using your arm as a pillow. And just lie there for a moment and rest. If you're in the chair, just come back to the space around you. Kind of taking in your space all at once. If you're coming up from the floor, just push your hands into the floor and come up to a seated position, making yourself comfortable again. Just feeling a little more open and receptive. Inhale, exhale, a little bit more coherence between the outer body and the inner body. And as we're moving toward the season of Advent, and it's getting a little bit darker and a little bit here, right, with our weather, it's a little bit colder. Some rain today even. But just imagining seasonally, like if we imagined the seasons like a day, right, taking time to think about this is coming from summer now into nighttime, into darkness. It feels a little bit to me like as we're shifting, right? We're still kind of in that transition phase. Things are slowing down, they're getting darker, but we're not quite in the depth of the darkness yet. And so I'm just going to read a blessing from 7 Sacred Pauses that's meant for the twilight hour. A soul flare is what happens when someone shines his or her light, no matter what it is. In a song, a smile, or a well-made soup, they send out a flare of light that inspires others to shine their own. Soul flares make this world better. A soul flare is what happens when someone shines his or her light, no matter what it is. In a song, a smile, or a well-made soup, they send out a flare of light that inspires others to shine their own. Soul flares make this world better. So we're just going to finish with 1 or 2 little hums so you can feel the vibration in our body. You can hold the back of your head and neck if you want to feel it there, or just keep the hands palms up on your lap, or maybe even belly or heart. I'm going to go, because we are working on that solar plexus and diaphragm, I'm going to go 1 hand heart, 1 hand diaphragm. And we're just going to take a nice easy hum of ma. It means mother in most languages. So as you inhale, ma. Pause. Inhale, ma. And I do like 3s, so maybe just 1 more. Take a nice inhale. Thank you so much for joining me, for allowing me to share this with you, for taking time out to pause, take care of yourself. I send you out with many blessings for your day, and I look forward to when we can do this again together.